Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Roblox Piggy version of Rodan. Now, to start off with this, we're going to start with a circle for the head. So I'm just going to draw a nice circle shape right around here, just like that. Then, right inside of here, I'm going to just draw another circle shape like this. Now, because we're making Rodan, I want him to have like a beak shape. So I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and then it's going to go up like this. Now, starting here, I want to draw the eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a nice circle shape right here for one eye. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm getting pretty close to the actual mouth part and to the side of the head. Then I'm going to go and I'm going to add a circle inside the edge of each one. And then I'm just going to color in the rest of this. Then right inside of here, I'm going to add two little black dots for the nose. Now I want to add some horns onto here for Rodan. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and then it's going to come down. Then I'm going to do one up here. I'm going to draw one that goes up and then it's going to curve down. Now on each side of here, I want to start the wings. So I'm going to start on each side and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up. So right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves up. And then I want to do the same thing over here. Just draw a line that curves up. I want to make it come to like a point on each side. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to come to a point and come back. Draw one that's going to go down, come to a point, and then come back a little bit wider. Next, I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and it's going to come up. I'll do another one here. I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to come up. And then right here, I'm going to go down and up. And same thing on this side. We're just going to go down and up. Then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line in. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Next, just draw a little curved line inside each one of these. And I'm just going to do these two big ones first. And right here, I want to draw a line that's going to go down, and then one right here that's going to go down. Then we can draw a little line inside. Next, starting here, we're going to draw the legs. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to curve in. So we're going to go down and then curve in. Start right here, draw a line that goes down and comes over. Draw one that goes down, and then we're going to come over. Another one that goes down and over. And then one right here that goes down and over. Then I'm going to put one more here, and one more here, kind of like a little V shape. I'm going to go over and then curve it up. Go over and then curve it up. And then I'm going to add a little curved line right here. Then starting here, we're going to make a little line that goes out, and then it's going to come back. And then right here, I want to make a big line that's just going to go down and curve up. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. Then I'm just going to curve up. And I want to make some kind of more V shapes on here. So we're going to draw a line that goes down and then up, down and up, and then one more here, down and then up. And right along the back here, I'm going to put just a couple little bumps for some spikes on there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Roblox Piggy Rodan. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.